I gotta zoom in. But every single time I see a train, I think it's the BNSF unit because of the way that the light reflects.
BNSF gets a lot. We get a lot of BNSF too. A lot of them.
Yeah. It's also kind of hard to tell with the lighting if it's orange.
Not really, because I get some iron first.
Well, it's actually with just my eyes here. Haha. Saw it on Wednesday. Wow. And I've seen it before that, I swear. Ups, 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 ups. Up. Up. I got two things up to it. If I had a tripod, that's okay. Arrow! Whoa, shaky, shaky. As the trains are rocking, don't come knocking. I don't like that sound. Please no banging. I'm gonna get a little closer, just because I feel like it. England, you're slowing down, aren't you? Everything's A-okay. Well, because
was that thing slowing down?
I think it's slowing down because I heard a bang at one point. They must have put it in dynamics or something.
So we're gonna wait for that. It's probably going for a train that hopefully will have it.
Maybe. If we're lucky. There goes that slowing down intermodal on to its destination, most likely Chicago.